We are pleased to show you the 2014 Touareg. It is the most technically innovative VW since the brand has been in existence. This Volkswagen Touareg is reinterpreting the fascinating multi-purpose SUV idea in a contemporary way, thanks to a range of engines that are nearly 20% more fuel efficient and a large variety of new assistance and safety systems. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto-off, remote trunk release, mirror memory. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.